Camera number 92 of 365 is the Minolta Uniomat, a rangefinder camera, and it has a built-in selenium light meter which is coupled to the shutter and aperture mechanism. So basically how we use the camera is having first of all set the film speed, which is along the bottom of the dial there. We lift up our collar and rotate it, so I choose 100 ISO. The meter is then calibrated, and we simply have to rotate that same dial until our green cutout matches our red needle, and then the camera is basically set. The aperture, the light meter reading is there, and or light value, and so then the camera chooses a built-in shutter speed and aperture, which I presume, if we change our focus, may change the aperture, perhaps, I don't know. And then we simply wind the film on and take the shot. We have a flash guide, which presumably is related to these numbers here. Again, I'm not quite sure about that. I couldn't find too much on the net about that, so somebody could help me there. That would be much appreciated. To wind the film back into the canister, we simply press the button at the bottom and wind the film back in. To open the film door, we simply press the lever. No, we don't. We pull the lever. There we go. And put our film into the camera. So that's it. Haven't used the camera yet, and hopefully it will perform okay. My only concern is the light meter. So I assume if I use a handheld light meter, which returns to me a light meter reading, if it's different from the one on the camera, I'll go with the meter, and then I can presumably input that in, and then that will make sure that the shutter and aperture are correct. That's the theory. We'll find out at the end of the video. But that's it. The 45mm 2.8 rocker lens. And that's really it as far as the Minolta Uniomat goes. Camera number 92 of 365.